Silent, curious, clean, mysterious, and cute. Here is my cat vlog. Magandang gabi, bayan. May mga bagay bang hindi nyo maintindihan? May mga bagay bang kayo lang ang nakakaintindi? May mga bagay bang kayo lang ang nakakakita? Pwes dito kayo sa channel na ito. Channel na ikaw lang ang nakakaintindi. Oh my god, she's biting. She's biting me. Today is evening, so good evening. We're going to have an update of our little kitten here. This is our cat vlog now. Oh, look at that. Our little kitty, white kitty named Chase. The last time we have is no more ice. He's very wild. He is very wild today because it's nighttime. That's why we have chosen a nighttime vlog to see their natural habitat here at night. Yan na ang mga pusa. Meow, meow, meow. Ayaw lumapo. Huwag ka mga super puti. Yeah. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Here is our kitten update. This little kitten is very active at night. Like us, we are considered to be nocturnal. She is already 2 months old, and you can see the differences before. She has grown her eyes. The last time she has this too much left eye, too much of little infection. Now she's we have cleaned it every day. With water, warm water, sometimes little one. She has grown her teeth. Yeah, she's biting. And this is she? I don't know. It's for you to find out if she is a she, or he is a he. I think he is a he. He is a he for us. Her hair has grown so much already. I don't know what's her kind, her breed. She's a mix of something else. She has no, look at see, it's a little grayish blue eyes. A little bit of hair here, too much hair here, and her tail is still really short, but a little fluffy on the end, like her father. He is very active at night. Also during the day, she's very stubborn, sleeps a lot, and likes cat food. This is our grown-up kitten already. His name is Chase. And then yeah, hi there. Very active and she likes to be pet, likes to run around. Very cute little fellow. Yeah, that's our update of the little critter that we have here right now. Stubborn little fella, isn't it? Yeah, and he's not that soft. He has many muscles. I think he is a he. He's hard, actually. It's not those really fluffy kittens that you can hold on to. Lots of muscles on it. Maybe the cat food that we're giving to him. Still feeding a lot on her mother, like this one. He is still nursing on this little bitty catty. Yeah, he likes to be nursed. Latching on this feeding nipples of her mom. Okay, that's our livestock toys. Okay, let's go to that. Nama was there. They're still feeding the cat food like this one, the seafood. Yeah, seafood things. I gave them two to 3 scoops each of them. Yeah, it's a little bit moist. This one, yep, little kitten. He's too much for this night. Okay, don't feed a lot. Give them frequency feeding, like so. And there's a lot of crickets this night, isn't it? A lot of cricket. Already big eyes is very active. Very active at night feeding section. Those cats are really munching now during the night time. The one is nursing, the other one is growing up. Eating so much. For 1 kilo of cat food, it lasts only a week. Only 1 kilo of them. It's me, Solid again. And yeah. That's our kitten update of our Chase. Yeah, our little kitten has grown a little big for the last 2 months. So bye for now. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Please like, share, and subscribe. Wakanda forever. This is our little kitty cat. Kitty cat, is it? Little cute little fellow. You have to wash his eyes. His teary eyes, always teary eyes. Huh? Yeah, to the brother. the bed. Peachy peachy, little kitty. Meow. Oh yeah. It is big. Yeah. Huh? What do you say? What do Mike say? Welcome to the natural habitat of our cats here. Dark and really lots of hiding places. Hiding places like this one. Yeah. Grassy and full of vegetation. As our cat there likes playing around with the little critters that he can see and hear and find. And the little kitten. Not like before, she doesn't have any eyes. She almost crawls. Now she's really running around and catching everything that he sees and biting. According to like that's the natural habitat of these cats here. See that one? What's he looking for? Where is he? To the garden, looking for anything and everything. Yep. Oh, he just found the mother tail. Yeah, the mother tail did. Okay. This was the seas. The mommy cat. That's the mommy cat. It's a little kitty cat. There's the little kitty cat again, running around the garden. Yeah, stretching his arms and legs. Really flying around, fluffy little thing. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. There's our cat vlog, and please like, share, and subscribe to our cat vlog YouTube channel. Yeah, it's me Sonad here. We're vlogging at night and running around with the cats at night. Sundan natin ang journey ni Nick. Saan siya pupunta? O, sige na, una ka na. Una ka na, Ning.